white sand feels like sugar underfoot, and the sea oats dance where the dunes took root. There's a quiet stretch where the ester flows, and the salt air follows wherever you go. No neon signs, just the sky turning pink, and giving you all of the time to just think. Oh, Bonita Springs, where the Gulf meets the shore, I couldn't ask for a single thing more. From the little hickory past to the pier, the rest of the world just disappears in the turquoise blue and the emerald green, the prettiest sight that I've ever seen. The dolphins are jumping in the morning light, and the snook are biting when the tide is right. Search for Junonia in the shell-washed sand, while the sun starts sinking over the land. It's a slow-motion dream on the edge of the map, with the sound of the waves in a rhythmic laugh. Watch the pelicans dive, see the manatees roam in the place that the sunset calls its home. West Coast magic, a soft summer breeze, whispering secrets through the Australian pines and trees. Oh, Bonita Springs, where the Gulf meets the shore, I couldn't ask for a single thing more. From the little hickory past to the pier, the rest of the world just disappears in the turquoise blue and the emerald green, the prettiest sight that I've ever seen. Wash the salt from your skin, keep the sand in your shoes. In Bonita Springs, you've got nothing to lose, just a West Coast heart and a Gulf Coast view. Yeah, Bonita's calling for you. Where the white sand feels like sugar underfoot, and the sea oats dance where the dunes took root. There's a quiet stretch where the ester flows, and the salt air follows wherever you go. No neon signs, just the sky turning pink,